with acrylic color is you can redo anything at any point of time. So like many a times we are scared of working with acrylic because we are scared that how to redo things. But the benefit of acrylic is that you can redo anything. So like this is my canvas, and if something goes wrong in the painting and I want to redo it, I can redo things at any point of time. So for demonstration today, I'll be using this canvas which is already painted, and I will change this canvas to some other beautiful painting. It's not because I don't like this painting. I like this painting, but I want to demonstrate how can we reuse the canvas or redo things in canvas. Keep watching.
रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला रांजण गावाला गावाला महागणपती नांदला चला पहाटे पहाटे देव केव्हा